What's going on, guys? Welcome back. I know it's been a long time since the last video. I can explain, trust me, and I will. As you probably can see, we're at a different location than normal. Got the truck in the back. I know you guys haven't seen that, but videos are coming for that as well. But I want to make this video real quick. Okay, well, I'll be able to explain in the videos to come. But today I'm going to be working on putting in some shelving in a storage room. We got the wood, got everything here that we need. So we're going to go ahead and put that in. It's kind of a mess right now. I've just been collecting shit. Excuse me, beep. Collecting stuff since we moved. As you can see, I got a lot of my stuff just everywhere. So we're going to work on getting all that put out, and then we're gonna get to it. Mounting these shelves. I'm gonna put, basically, I'm trying to figure out how I want to put it, but I'm gonna hang the shelves along this wall and go all the way up to the roof. And in the middle where the window is, I kind of want to put where my toolbox can go. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to do it that way. So I may put it on one side of the garage or the other. I'm not sure yet, but I'm sure we'll figure it out as we go. So let's start getting all this taken out, and we're gonna get to it. That's a lot of stuff for such a small storage room. Alright guys, we got everything cleaned out. Excuse the echo. But we got everything cleaned out off this wall for now. So we're gonna start. I'm thinking about keeping the compressor there and building around it. Maybe put a shelf that goes right above it and then go up. And I'm thinking about doing the same thing for the toolbox here. But basically, my door leaves me about 2 feet from the wall to here to put my workbench right here. So I'm thinking I may just come out 1.5 feet. That leaves me a little room to open the door, and just go ahead and put the toolbox over here or on that wall over there. So I'm about to figure that out, and then we're gonna get to putting them up. But basically, what we're gonna be doing is fastening the 2x4s to the wall like this, one there, and then come down all the way down with it. We'll put the legs like so to hold up the weight, but should be pretty simple once I get everything mapped out. But would you look at all the crap that just came out of there? That's amazing. Oh, also check out the new saw we just picked up, so we can do this project. You know, Harbor Freight special. Yeah. We're gonna get this planned out, and I'll get to it. Alright guys, we got the first beam, or where the first shelf's gonna go. Got it put in. We got a little help that showed up. Push it in. So we're gonna have one shelf here, on top of there, and probably put another one, probably there, and then there. So figured out I'm gonna put my toolbox on that wall or that wall over there, and put the compressor right here in this corner, depending on which side I go on. So yeah, just a little update. Put you guys on time lapse in a minute, and we're gonna finish this up. Guys, we got our first rows. Well, we got all our rows together. Next, we're gonna go ahead and put the legs on. If you see, we match the wall side to the side that's gonna come off the wall. So all we're gonna do is go right next to it. Screw it to each point. Put one there, one here, one there, and one on the other side. Then we're gonna go back and loosen these up. We're gonna pull it off the wall, and then that's when we're gonna put our center sections in to connect. Then once we do that, we're pretty much done. Put our plywood on top, and we'll have some shelves. We got our boards cut to the correct height, so we'll go ahead and screw these in. Then we're gonna unscrew the ones that's holding the board on there now and pull it off the wall. Alright guys, so to shorten it all up, basically all we're doing here is fastening the legs to the cross support. And we're doing this because it'll save us time by eliminating 1 or 2 steps of having to cut, measure, and make sure everything level on the leg side. So if you build off the wall side, you'll have the same height on the wall side and on the leg side. So you won't have any thing that's off or misleveled. Alright guys, here you can see I started cutting the cross support. They are going to tie the wall side to the front leg side and support the plywood in the middle. I also had to go and pick up a Craig jig. This little tool came in handy. If you don't have one, I definitely recommend going buy one, as this makes, fastening boards on an angle so much easier, and makes it a lot sturdier than just trying to screw in on an angle. But yeah, that's all I did. I drilled my holes with the Craig jig. I think I had like 16 cross supports to do, and this little tool, made it a lot faster. Here you can see me fastening the cross boards that you saw me cut earlier in the video, and me mounting them with the 2 holes drilled out with the correct jig. You can see this makes for a faster, lot easier install. Here you can see me start installing the plywood. On this shelf I had a little trouble. As you can see, there's an outlet there in the back that kind of stuck out off the wall, so it kind of pushed the plywood out, kind of made it tight fit, but it's a good fit. Here I'm started cutting more sheets of plywood to fit on the 2 middle shelves, as those 2 pieces have to be a lot shorter. I got the plywood cut at the hardware store to 1.5 feet wide, which fit perfectly to my measurements on the shelves, and made an easy install. This was the final product. I kind of cut the video short as it started losing daylight, and I went ahead and just wrapped it. What's up, guys? We're back. Yes, it's the next day. I kind of cut the video yesterday short. Started running out of daylight and time. So I was gonna show you guys the finished product, what it looks like now. It actually came out pretty good, and I'm pretty happy with it. So here we go. I did start putting the stuff back in. Actually came out really nice. I went ahead and kind of made some brackets, you know, to hang blower, weed eater, you know, stuff like that, shovels, rakes. I also built these walls right here to kind of separate the workbench from the shelves. I plan on putting pegboard on these so I can hang, like, you know, tools I use on the regular, you know, pliers, screwdrivers, stuff like that, wire cutters. It's not done. I still have some kind of straightening up to do, but I have all my stuff that's not really used on a daily up there. I plan on getting more of my totes and putting them on the shelves. Gonna have my toolbox whenever I get it. It's gonna go in that corner. Should fit between there and the wall perfectly. Probably will bring this and put this on my pressure washing trailer, so that's out the way. I have plenty of room under here to put stuff. My lawnmower actually fit perfectly under here. Didn't plan on that, but it actually fit perfect. My compressor, you know, fits there in the corner. I may end up building like a box around it to you know, kind of muffle its sound, as it is pretty loud. I'm not sure about that yet, but that's just an idea. But if you're definitely looking for, you know, storage in your, or shelves in your storage rooms at home, I definitely recommend going this route, as it's a lot cheaper and they're a lot stronger than what you can buy in the store. Like, these are overkill. For whatever, I'll probably never be able to put anything on here that's too heavy for these. So came out good. I'm happy with it. I may also continue going around this way with it. I may not. I haven't decided yet. I still have plenty of wood left over, as you can see. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm a little rusty, as I gotta get back into making videos for you guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, please. You know, share this video, share my other videos. Go back and watch some of my other videos if you're new. I really appreciate it, but hope everyone has a great day.